Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's Javon. Two major ways to improve your art. Here in the background is a piece I did on Snoopy and the yellow bird that he flies or is always around. And I looked up his name. It's Woodstock, apparently. But with that put to the side, major ways to improve your art, seeing that everybody is going through their own situation, and you, maybe your artist, if you're watching this, you more likely is one, and you're searching to see how can you improve on drawing, what will help you and benefit you in the long run to get better. A big help and a big way to improve on your art is references. Here for this piece, I used the image of Snoopy that I searched online to just get a better way or better understanding of how to shape his face, how to shape his body, to basically draw him in general. Okay, and I also seen from the reference that parts of his ear, for example, depending on if he's looking up or looking down, his ear will be in a different shape. Also, the inside of his ear is not always closed, it's not always colored in. Okay, and going off of this reference, I can also see that he has one eyebrow. Now, I took this one eyebrow, even though he has one eye on his face right now, I put two, and you will see the reason that I did that later in the video. But I seen how to draw his feet by using this reference. Okay, and going from using references can really help you as an artist, or if you're helping to design something in general, because using the reference you'll be able to give your mind a better understanding and a better picture of what you're trying to proceed to do, instead of going off of the top of your head. Me, before I was using references, I thought that all you had to do was constantly remember how to draw this character or that character, but it's way much difficult to do that if you've never seen the character. Okay, if you've never seen the character, then you will have a hard time of drawing that particular character. And here I'm simply just saving it for later. I got my colors already ready to go. And now I'm starting on the house. Now later on in the video you will then see that for the house I did not use a reference image for, because I personally thought that I knew what it looked like at the time I was making it. Using references can really help, and that's one of the things that helped me with this image alone. This next reference photo that I'm showing that's on screen right now helps get me to understand with the expression of Snoopy. Now, I did realize now that I did mess up because he's missing an eyebrow. But the expression for Snoopy using this reference image helped a lot, because with this image it helped me understand to get a more extreme expression out of the character, rather than going with his side view like the first reference image where he only has one eye and one eyebrow. Going with two will show a more extreme facial expression, which is what I wanted for this image here. Now, another way to improve on art is references. Having, excuse me, pardon me, would not be references, but a second part of a way that will help you improve your art is confidence. Your confidence. You have to have confidence. Confidence helps me create this image. Confidence helps me get better lines for the piece itself, and it also helps me create his cake. I did have to search up Snoopy's best friend's name, and I also had to search reference photos for how he looked, of course. Okay, because I didn't know what he looked like. I couldn't draw him from the top of my head at all without using a reference image. Okay, and confidence really does go a long way, because confidence in your lines will show cleaner line art, will also have better results for your art as well. The object or the light that's next to Woodstock on top of the roof is supposed to be a flashlight. Not a flashlight, but it's supposed to be a fan. Even I'm getting confused about it. But it's supposed to be a fan. And the fan is supposed to be blowing air at Woodstock so that his cage can fly and he can show it off better. Woodstock is also referencing Superman as his logo is seen down below on the side of the roof. But confidence, I even had to look up how to color this character, because for drawing Woodstock, there's a lot of open space. So where to end, where to stop, where to begin, so on and so forth. But references for this also helps me with the ground, the sky, what type of colors I should be using, what type of colors I shouldn't be using. Oh, okay? Now, with this image, I also wanted things to be coming out of the page. But here, you see that I'm trying to figure out how to get all the line art on one layer. Now I'm beginning to figure out what kind of colors I need for this image, and I do that by using reference photos to determine how bright I should have the color of the ground or the sky or the characters or the roof house. Now, telling about the house. It also matches the Superman logo, so I had to change the color a bit for the Superman logo. But with that being said, I also wanted to make it a nice, warm, sunny day as well. And also, have fun doing what you like to draw. Have fun drawing or designing with what you're doing. Okay, and there is the piece, final image. And I like how it turned out, and everybody has a nice